Hey guys, this is Josh at ViewSonic. We're here at EduTECH Australia, here in Sydney. At the event today, we've got 3 different panels. We've got 2 75-inch panels and 1 65-inch panel. These 3 are our latest in the range, or our 2019 revision. That means it packs with Android 7.0, and it also packs with a slimmer bezel, but the same performance that you guys know and love from ViewSonic and ViewBoard. So just to show you the full extent of what we've got here today is our IFP 50 series, so 75-inch, 65-inch, and another 75-inch behind me. But actually, this product comes in 55, 65, 75, and 86. If you're at all interested, go to education.viewsonic.com or speak to one of our reps here in ViewSonic Australia. Thank you.